Hey writers, it is time for handwriting practice again today. So if you need to pause this video while you find your handwriting book and a pencil. All right. Remember our handwriting book? Yeah. We're going to do a couple more lessons together today. So you are going to turn to page 14 and let's take a look at what letters we're going to practice writing today. Okay, first up, here it comes, is the letter A and D. These are the first letters we're going to watch. Now, I'm going to show you a quick little video of how to form these letters correctly. Now, remember, when you're holding your pencil, you've got your pencil writing grip, you've got your thumb and your two fingers. Let's watch how to form the lowercase a.
Lowercase a. 1. Circle back all the way around. Push up straight. Pull down straight. Lowercase a.
All right, now there's only one step for this letter. So we're circling all the way around, pushing up and back down. We never pick up our pencil off of the paper. So let's go back to our page and practice our lowercase a. Starting on that green dot, circle, oh, my pencil broke. Circle all the way around, push up and down. Circle around, push up and down. Circle around, push up and down. Every time I'm staying below that dotted line. When you're ready, practice some on your own. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video until you catch up and then come back and join us. Circle around, push up and down. Circle around, push up and down. Circle around, push up and down. All right. When you get to that stop sign, you're going to think, which one do I think is my very, very best? Ooh, that's a tough choice, but I love this lowercase a. Again, pause if you need to catch up and finish those lowercase a's. Now let's go back and see how we're going to form our uppercase a.
Uppercase a. 1. Slant left. Lift. 2. Slant right. Lift. 3. Slide right. Uppercase a.
Okay, so this one has 3 steps. That means we're going to be picking up our pencil when we're drawing our uppercase a. So let's take a look. I always start at that green dot. I slant down. I slant down. I go across in the middle. Slant, slant, cross. Slant, slant, cross. All right, now let's try some on our own. If you want, pause the video while you practice your uppercase a. When I cross on that dotted line. Now, what I was telling kids in class when we were practicing these is it's not about rushing to be the first person done today. The goal of our handwriting is to think about how we're forming our letters. So we don't want to rush through this activity. We really want to slow down and take our time. And when I take a look and I realized that this one is the one that's my favorite, I took my time. My cross is right on that dotted line and my slants both are going from the blue line to the red line. So when you are writing your letters, it's not about finishing first. It's about taking your time and giving your best. All right, now that we've done our lowercase a and our uppercase a, let's practice some words. All is the first word. So I'm going to form my A just like I learned. And L's, we practiced those yesterday. Page. Slow and steady. Mrs. Pasapenka is taking your time. All of my letters are lowercase, just like I see above. Pause this video while you finish your A's and the word all and page. All right, Let's look at our next letter we're going to practice today. And that next letter is the letter D. Let's see how we form it.
Lowercase d. 1. Circle back all the way around. Push up straight. Pull down straight. Lowercase d.
All right, this one reminds me of our A, very similar, but instead of stopping at that cross line, we're going all the way up to the blue line. So I'm going to circle back, push up and down. Circle back, push up and down. Circle back, press up, push down. Circle back, push up and down. If you want to pause the video while you do your lowercase d, that would be great. Oh, Mrs. Pospenka forgot to trace first. Silly me. Let's go back and do that. Circle round, push up, back down. All right, which was your favorite D? When you get to that stop sign. Ooh, I think that last one is my favorite. I noticed each time I got a little bit better because the more I practice, the better my writing will be. Okay, uppercase D, let's have a look.
Uppercase D. 1. Pull down straight. Lift. 2. Slide right. Curve forward. Slide left. Uppercase D.
All right, let's trace and try these first. So I'm going to start at my green dot and slide down, back to the top, slide right, curve round, slide back. All right, now on my own. Giving my best, taking my time. And try one more. I think my last one is my favorite again on this one. And now it's time to practice the word days, doing our D and A, just like we practiced, and date. We've practiced those T's as well. So let's make sure our T looks great. All right. Now, writers, if you need to, pause the video while you finish up your A's and D's, as well as those words below. Then you're going to go to the next page and practice writing your words and sentences. Can you come up with a sentence about your favorite month? My favorite month is April, and I'll tell you why. Because April is when my birthday is. So I might write a sentence that says, April is my favorite month. Now remember, when you write these words, you're just going to write them like you see. This is a lowercase a, so I need to write it lowercase. Year is the next word. All of the letters are lowercase, so I'm writing them lowercase on the line below. Go ahead and pause the video, practice your words, practice your sentences, and see if you can come up with a sentence on your own. A year, seasons, holiday. A calendar shows the months. December is the last month. When you see uppercase, you write uppercase. When you see lowercase, you write lowercase. Okay, great job, writers. You do have one more activity to do today, and that is the letter C. If you want to scan the QR code with your iPad on your paper, you can scan that now to watch how you're going to form the letter C and the letter E. Go ahead and practice page 16 and page 17 on your own. And that will complete your handwriting for today. So you have 4 pages to do for your handwriting or writing lesson today. You're completing letter A, uppercase and lowercase. Letter D, uppercase and lowercase. Letter C, uppercase and lowercase, as well as letter E. All right, writers, off to do your letter C and E all on your own, practicing uppercase, lowercase, copying those words and sentences just the way you see them. Now make sure you take your time. It is not about finishing fast. It's about taking your time and doing your best letter formation. Happy writing.